morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. We're officially caught up. So at this point, if you're watching this video, we are vlogging. We are dropping videos as we vlog. Like, there's no other content, baby. This is it. So I'm going to start off. First of all, it is 5:13 in the morning. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. And I am eternally grateful to God that Friday is my last day of work. Hello. My last full day of work. Like, I get my out process. I go on leave next week, but then I get my out processing paperwork next week as well. Anywho's, you all know that Kyrie's birthday is coming up. I went ahead and ordered him a custom outfit. Let me see if I can show y'all. I need to hurry up because we gotta go. And he's still sleeping. I ordered him a custom, like a little jumper set, and it's really cute. It says Kyrie Street. You guys are probably wondering where I got this from. I got this from Etsy. And it comes with a shirt. Now, the problem is on the shirt, she spelled my son's name wrong. She added an additional H, which is wrong. His name is spelled Kyrie. On top of that, we are on a mommy saving mission because she also sent me someone else's order. Somebody's birthday is this week, and that kid's name is, and it's Jonas. Jonas turns 2. But Jonas don't got his outfit, and his birthday is on Friday. So today, we're going to be mailing it off. She accidentally sent it to me, and we're on a mommy mission to help out a fellow mommy, okay? So we can't fail this mission today. So she said she's going to send me another shirt. She gave me a full refund, of course, because I'm helping her, and I'm going to ship this. She tried to get me a label, but I don't know where she located at, but the label shit ain't working, so I'm just going to go ahead and pay for it. You know, ain't a big deal. Nothing too crazy. What else I need to show y'all? So on top of us going to the post office for this, I also need to return that big ass, remember that poodle jacket? They went ahead and approved my exchange, so I'm going to be getting a smaller one and a brown one. So y'all can finally actually see how T the jacket is for real. So I got to pack up that big ass jacket. It's 5:19, so let's go wake Kyrie up. He about to be so mad. When I tell y'all this boy had me up at 1 o'clock talking about eat. You want to eat at 1 a.m.? Like, I'm mad tired. So I've been off and on 1 a.m. Had to wake up. Girl, I had to wake up at like 4:30. This is just crazy. Yo, shorty. Kyrie. You about to be so fussy and mad, y'all. Kai, we gotta go, baby. Kyrie. Baba. Kyrie, we gotta go. We gotta go to school. Y'all, he's tired, y'all. He's tired. I'm tired. Won't you can see alone? Can you help us? God, please. We just need like a day of sleep. I'm going to leave next week. By the grace of God. Thank you, Jesus. Kyrie. That's how you know he's tired, bro. He always wakes up very easy. I'm just going to go ahead and change him and dress him up in the bed so my baby could get as much. Y'all, clearly somebody's tired. You tired, Kai? Child, he about to cry so bad. I know for a fact he don't want to go in here, but he has to. It's 5:51, and girl, I gotta go to PT, and I'm on profile, and I already had a feeling that people was gonna be acting funny when I get on profile. I already knew, like I called it, like I don't know why people be trying to go back and forth with me about my profile. What do you want me to do? It's not my fault. And I'm barely ever on profile. Like, the stigma with these older generation leaders is just... They got it. Let's get Kyrie in here, child. I know you're tired, baby. I know, baby. Oh, you look like your daddy. Let's get your coat. Kai, I don't think they'll take you if you're sleeping. You gotta wake up. Wake up, Bubba. Wake up, Bubba. Bubba? I know. Aww. Look how he be hugging on me, y'all. He love his mommy. 3 more days and I'll be through. And I won't have to look at you. Ugly, ugly, ugly you. Tired, y'all. This week I have been going straight off of coffee. This morning, first of all, bitch, cut this tea. I meant to say Monday, not this morning. I got the M's confused. Monday, I was on 2 hours of sleep. God carried me. I swear to God, I don't even know how I could even drive in a straight line. I drank a lot of coffee that day. And then yesterday I slept pretty decent. Last night, girl, me and Kyrie, we got home. It was like, I think like when we finally got in, well, we got home at like 6:20, I think, 6:20, 30-ish. Girl, we got in the bed by 7, gone, knocked out. I woke up, it was 10 p.m. I said, oh my God, gotta wash my uniform. I freaking almost went to sleep with dirty uniform. Yeah. Then 1 o'clock, Kyrie is crying. I'm like, what's wrong? He's talking about some eat. I said, bro, you want to eat at 1 o'clock in the morning? So I get up, make him his favorite thing to eat, oatmeal. He like oatmeal and waffles. Then, girl, he didn't want to go back to sleep. So we was just looking at each other off and on until like I would say like every 30 minutes. Like he just would not go back to sleep. And he finally went back to sleep at like 4:50 a.m. He would not let me sleep. I just felt like I was being tortured. So basically, Starbucks is taking all my money this week because I am running on thin ice. I'm trying to finish strong, but it's like people keep testing me and girl, I don't know. But I started to re-listen to my ebooks. You guys know I listen to a lot of Joyce Meyer. Yeah, I hear these roads. Like this shit is just so bad. I'm ready to go. I've been listening to some Joyce Meyer and some TD Jakes books, ebooks. Not ebooks, I'm sorry, audiobooks. And I have to listen to Joyce Meyer. Do it afraid again. Because girl, I'm finna move. So yeah. But I didn't even tell y'all how to walk through Went with the movers. But I'll tell y'all after PT, bitch.
7 hours later.
I'm back looking crusty dusty per usual. Listen, me on the weekend versus me on the weekdays, 2 different people. Okay, it's too hot to care. I mean, it's too hot. It's too cold to be caring about what anybody thinks. So, I don't know what happened in Texas. I don't ever remember my birthday month being this cold. Y'all, it is cold in Texas. But, I got breakfast. We ran today. We ran 4 miles. I died the entire time. My legs were feeling so heavy. By the end of the run, I literally, like, I couldn't go any faster. Like, I think I just, like, lost feelings in my leg. Anywho, y'all know what we got. Venti ice brown shaken, Venti brown sugar oat shaken espresso, whatever. And we got a Venti because we tired of shit. A bagel with cream cheese, bacon, egg bites, and that's it. It is cold in here. I'm kind of losing all hope for Vlogmas because I literally don't do shit. But listen, when it comes to this internet stuff, you just got to post the content. You really just have to post the content. Oh, I cannot forget for lunch that we got to go mail that stuff off. We got to save our fellow mommies. Aww. Aww, that's so sweet. Oh, he held the door open for her. Oh, that's so fucking sweet. I love that. Oh, she pregnant? Nah, she's not pregnant, but that's so sweet. Oh. All right, let me eat this, and I gotta rush, shower, get to work.
Seven hours later.
You want the ball? What ball, baby? Let me see. Let me get it.
With the ball.
Oh, you want that red ball? Okay.
With the ball.
You want to go get snacks from the store, or you just want to go get din din?
With the ball.
Let me get the ball. You want eat?
The ball.
Let me get it. Excuse me.
Ball.
Okay, excuse me. Let me get it. Let me get it. I gotta get it for you. This is what he crying about, y'all. This Spider-Man ball. Let's go, baby. Kai. Kyrie, you want a snack or you want to go eat?
Why you playing? Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's go. It's getting ghetto. Let's go. Yes, baby. What you want? Huh? You want to eat? All right, y'all. We finna go to Aldi. I got some steaks in the fridge. I think I want to do potatoes. We're gonna do eat. Can we leave?
No.
We didn't even leave. You're talking about eat. Are they not feeding you or something?
No.
They not feeding you? What's the tea?
No.
Oh, so they're not feeding you. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get their ass.
No.
Sir. What the fuck? All of my goddamn. You see I'm backing up.
No.
What the hell wrong with these people? Anywho, y'all, work was work. If y'all see right here, I like burnt myself. Hold mommy hand. Thank you, baby. Let's go, okay? I love you, okay? Let's go. Arrived in Aldi, y'all. Me and my little boo. My little munchkin. All right, y'all. What we getting? What you want? You want fruits? Mommy got you fruits. They got seedless grapes, but these is cotton candy. These grapes look so dingy. Girl, I don't want these dingy ass. Look at this. These don't look too bad. Okay, we're getting grapes. What else you want, baby? You want banana?
Banana.
Okay, I'll get you a nana.
No.
Y'all, he tried to help me push the thing. Look, y'all. Yo, your leg's mad little, bro. You're not moving. Thank you for helping me, Kai. The sweetest baby ever. I promise y'all. You're doing great. We almost at the car. Doing great. You're doing great, baby. Go, go, go. Y'all, look how slow I'm walking. Go, 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 go. And good job. Thank you. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Yay! Thank you. Yay! So y'all remember how I was supposed to accomplish that mom mission and return the jacket? I forgot to return the jacket, but I at least accomplished the mom mission. I shipped off the birthday outfit to that mom. The shipping was $55. You know, you don't do things to expect anything back. You do things out of the kindness of your heart. So hopefully she gets it on the day of her son's B-day. Yeah.
Hello.
I got all this stuff from Aldi for $50, girl. 50 cash. We leaving, baby. Hold on. I had to get me some snacks for milk. Mommy's gonna come right back. Don't talk to no strangers, okay? I just gotta put the cart back. I'll be right back in 2 seconds.
No. Hello. 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 Yeah. I'm good. I know it. I know. I know what I was movie.
It is about 6:45 p.m. and I'm about to start dinner, girl. I'm just getting home, and this is why I just prefer to just get food on the way home, because by the time I finish, it's gonna be 8 p.m. Who the fuck wants to eat food at 8 p.m.? Not me. But we got steak. This is from a sponsor. Y'all will see that sponsor in the next video. These are some fat steaks. We got steak, we got vegetables, and we got a little bit of plantain. I need to hurry up. The seasonings that we're using today, it's honestly between It's between, these shits get stiff. It's between Buttery Steakhouse and, where did the other one go? My favorite one. All right, well, we're just going to use 3 seasonings. We're going to use Buttery Steakhouse. We're going to use roasted veggie on our veggies. Where is my favorite? I can't see shit. Oh, right here. Ooh, right here? I might, no, I think I'm gonna have to do this one. The prime steak. It has black garlic and truffle. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna have to do this. You can't do both, that's too salty. But yeah, I mean, it's so hard to pick. This one is salty, but this one is luxe. So I'm gonna go with this one, and then we're just gonna season our veggies with roasted veggies. And then I got some banh mi. If you don't know what banh mi is, it's sweet plantain. When you go to the store and you buy plantain, you get the ugliest plantain, and that's banh mi. The one that looks like it's about to go rotten, that's banh mi. My house is a mess. My car is a mess. My life is a mess. This is why I was a little nervous to do Vlogmas, because I literally get home so late. And if y'all see, I burnt myself with the fly iron, but I literally get home so late. I have time to do nothing. I don't have time to date. I don't have time to hang out with friends after work. I literally have time, come home, make content if I can, take care of Kyrie, do homework. That is my life. So let me hurry up. I'm blabbering. y'all, if y'all can hear Kyrie back there pooping, it's hilarious. This is what I meant by your plantain needs to be ugly. Just like this. Y'all, my dinner's so mid, but I'm about to eat. I'm hungry. And I burnt my bun. So, we are fed. We ate. Y'all see where we at. It's time for Kyrie to take a bath. Period. How was the shower, Kai? All clean. All done. No. All done. Yeah. Yeah. I love you, baby. Thank you, baby.